Hello and welcome to my shop. Today is another day where we're gonna clean something we just got, which is an old machine. Well, actually not that old. This is from 2008 according to the motor plate. I don't know what the deal is, but this is already the second one of these I get from auctions, and they're pretty fun to clean up. So this one is from 2008. It's a Jet JWBS 14-CS. So it's a 14 Bandsaw, 6-inch rip capacity here. It is 115 to 30 volt, one phase, wired in 115 right now. And there's a 115 plug. It is working great, just needs a new blade. So let's tag along and see it from where I put it in the shop, troubleshoot it, change what needs to be changed, and find a good home for this baby here. Just like the last video, I have already two other bandsaws, a 20-inch and another 14-inch. So I have no use for this one, so this one needs to find a good home for it to go. And so yes, let's do that. Stuck, or I don't know how to use it. Looks like it's got all the parts. Yeah. This is done. Okay. Tires need replacing. Made some marks here of goop. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Let's check the bottom. 110. Yeah, same thing. Now, I don't know what this is, but this is nasty. So let's take out the blade. The blade is fairly stiff here. Okay, that should be enough. Take this out if I can. I need a screwdriver. Okay, and there's something in here. I need a pair of pliers. Ever seen a pin like this to prevent the blade from coming off? That's cool. The blade looks in decent shape. We'll see later. So far what I see is a good cleaning, especially on the table. New tires. The blocks here are looking pretty decent shape. Let me see. Yeah, they're not bad. I have new ones. I'll put new ones in. but it's not too bad. Everything here is there. Let's plug it in and see if this motor turns. We'll see. Let's plug that in, see if we... No fuse blown, so that's a good sign. So she's energized. Let's see if the motor turns. Yep, it does. I still want to have a look inside here and see wiring and stuff before we're going any further, but if it wasn't running, I would have been a lot bigger issue. This is running, so just cleaning and then find a good place, because like the previous video on one of these, I already have 2 bandsaws. I don't need an extra one. So this was stuck, or this is stuck actually. Oh, got it. This looks really clean inside. You can take this off. Well, let's do that. Oh yeah, it looks really clean. Let's see what the plate says here. Let's change the tires. You can also use zip ties. That's what I usually do, but I don't have any. Make sure we're seated correctly. And same on the bottom. Let's put new blocks in. So blocks are these. Just guides for a saw. Yeah, they're about the same. I think I'm gonna change them. I'll just leave the originals. Let's put the blade on. let's see if she cuts. This is a 3/4 inch red cedar. Let's see if it works. The blade is gone, need a new blade, but it cuts. Use a new blade, but it cuts. Well, I hope you enjoyed fixing this jet 14-inch bandsaw with me. I need to find a good home for it, but I'm sure I'll find it. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you later. Runs great. That's great. Brand new blade.